Alright, welcome to another unboxing video. So for this video, we are going to be unboxing Himiko Toga or Toga Himiko off of Boku no Hero Academia or My Hero Academia. This is going to be my first pop-up parade. This figure is made by Good Smile Company and it was distributed by Takara Tomy. So I'm not quite sure if they're classified like as a prize figure, but they're basically like a prize figure. This figure is an online exclusive, so this one came out alongside a regular version. So for this one, a lot of exclusives, from what I can tell, they don't typically re-release it. Usually don't get a lot of kind of like prize figures. Judging by the prototypes, it looks amazing. It looks like very in character of her. This figure was released on February 10th earlier this year. 2022. She stands a little bit over 6 inches tall, and I got her specifically off of goodsmileus.com. It comes with exclusive extra parts or anything like that. I get those figures from this website, Good Smile US. There is the Japanese website, so if you guys want to use their website, you could buy it from there as well. So yeah, I had this figure on pre-order since the end of last year, and then by April 8th, that's when they sent me the invoice to get it paid, so it automatically pays. Once you're on their website, you put in all your information prior hand, so when it's ready to ship out or whatever, they automatically do that. So the figure itself costs $38.99. I actually got 4 figures, so the subtotal is $155.96. In the shipping, the one thing about goodsmileus.com is if you sign up with an account, you get 50% off shipping. So, and altogether, I paid $167.08. So I've looked at her prices for overseas. It was anywhere between like 3,300 yen to 3,900 yen. So you'll be paying anywhere from $25 to $30. If you're trying to save money, I guess you could buy it from overseas and do the slow shipping. Or if it's like really close in price, you might as well just buy it from a US store. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to open this figure because 1, this is my first pop-up parade, and 2, it's an exclusive. This version of her actually makes a little bit more sense and is very in character of her. I've looked at many other figures like online. She does have some other scale figures like Kotobukiya, Belfine, and I think they're all like distributed by Takara Tomy. There's a Sega as well. Her scale figures, they're okay, but I think out of everything that I get of her, I think I'd probably just stick with this one. I have a question though. Are you guys interested in me making more unboxing videos for like prize figures and Nendoroids? So if you guys are interested in me making videos of those, I'll be happy to make it, but otherwise I'll probably just stash it away. Yeah, before I start unboxing video, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already, and go ahead and check out my blog at otakusin.com. That's where I do a lot of anime reviews, and I also do the figure reviews there as well. So if you guys need more pictures or anything else I missed in the video, it would be there on that blog. And it's time for shout outs. I want to give everyone shout outs, give some time to the people that are supporting the channel, and I just want to say thank you and I appreciate it. And shout outs to you, Michael Doe. I appreciate you leaving a comment. And then shout outs to you, Killua. I'm guessing you got that name from Hunter x Hunter. But yeah, I appreciate your comment, Killua. And shout outs to you, XXOPXX fan. Shout outs to you, man. I appreciate your comment. I'm happy that it helped you. I think that's the most important thing. But yeah, that's everyone that's commented since the previous video that I made. And yeah, make sure guys to like the video, subscribe to the channel, check out my blog at otakusin.com. Right now, The Rise of the Shield Hero Season 2 and Spy Family, I'm definitely doing reviews for those. And yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. So yeah, this is my first Good Smile Company US box that has 4 pop-up parades in it. It's a pretty large box. It's about like 15.5 inches like tall, and it goes across about 15 inches. So and it looks like they stuffed the crap out of the box. So they definitely stuffed the crap out of this box. Seemed a little bit unnecessary, but hey, as long as the figure is in good shape, that's all that matters. All right, and like I said, I bought 4 of them. And here is 2 of them right here. From what I can tell, close to perfect condition. Here is the other 2. So it looks like it comes kind of in this shrink wrap, paper wrap thing. Alright, so when it comes to the box itself, like, I don't have any real strong opinions about it, but you can already tell from the inside, like most figure boxes on the inside, the packaging is going to be like that. I kind of like the fact that it is like just the clear kind of plastic. It gives it a really clean look, a very, very clean look. And then you just have like some basic cardboard on the bottom of the box and on the back to kind of give it that little background look. So if to sum up what I think of the box, it's clean, it's good, not much else to say about it. On the top of the box, there is 3 sets of tape, 2 on the side and 1 on the back. Here you could kind of see the inside design of the box or the packaging. And like every other packaging, there is tape on the side. And of course, for the assembly, there's only just the base and it's the figure itself. You can see there's 3 little peg holes and the figure itself has like the 3 little peg holes. Like most prize figures basically come in this way. They'll give you like a little plastic or acrylic kind of base and then just the figure itself. So you just want to make sure you line up the bigger peg hole with the bigger part of her bottom of her leg. So it looks like this one right here, her back foot in the front right here. Alright, so let's talk about this figure. Let's start with the one thing about Pop-Up Parade. Starting April 19th of this year, they increased the prices from 3,900 Japanese yen to 4,800 Japanese yen. The price before was roughly around 38.99. That is about what I got this figure for right here. Now the price increase is about like $4, so up to 43.99 for 4,800 yen. And plus with the Japanese yen actually kind of devaluing a little bit, you'll probably, if you're buying any pop-up parades or anything from Japan in general right now, you'll be getting it at a discount at the 5 to 10, maybe a little bit higher discount right now. So it is, we're kind of incentivized kind of right now to buy stuff, but we're kind of going through a recession kind of thing right now. The stock market does not look good. Crypto doesn't look good. So it's kind of like bittersweet. Oh, it's cheaper. Oh, we have less money. So, but the figure itself, like, I'm not sure if they're really classified as prize figures, but it's basic. It is a prize figure. It's in that realm. It's very cheap. So these are the few things that you're basically gonna run into that I've seen on all my prize figures. I have some Bren Presto ones. Benimaru, I have Shion from That Time I Reincarnated as a Slime. Those are the 2 main ones that I have right now that are like prize figures. It's not something that, you know, generally I prefer the high quality stuff, but the good thing though about pop-up parades and other prize figures, you're able to buy figures that are more obscure, that, you know, is cheaper to make. That is the one good thing about these kind of prize figures and pop-up parades in general. What you'll run into is actually the painting. You could kind of see like on her socks is not that big of a deal. You'll always see like a little bit of the paint bleeding over to the other parts where it shouldn't be, but that's not that big of a deal. There is a little black smudge like right on her left knee area, and then right in the front on her scarf with the little teeth, you could kind of see the painting right there, where a lot of the sculpting or the painting, or probably a little bit of both, it just seems a little bit off. The painting, a lot of the black paint on the scarf has gotten into the white teeth. Obviously black and white. When you mix those 2 together, you're gonna be able to tell that there is some smudges there. On the back too, where she kind of holds her blood, on the little green things that hold the blood, you could kind of see, you know, there's some smudges on the sculpting. There's like some errors there. But around her legs, it looks good. Her hair, the little spikes of her hair, you can kind of tell that it's not that great of a quality when you look at it from the side. You can kind of tell the hair, the sculpting of the hair isn't super detailed or super, what you'll come to expect if you got like higher quality figures, like scale figures or anything like that. So the hair, it's pretty basic, but it gets the job done. you're not really gonna look from the sides anyways, but from the front part of front view of her, she looks just like her. For $38.99, like, can't really complain. Like, any price figures, I know people are really complaining a lot about like the price increase of the pop-up parade, but inflation is really high and things do cost more, guys. So what are you gonna do? Like, you gotta increase prices if you want to maintain your margins, if you want to continually operate as a business, if you don't want to lay off people. You're good. You just have to increase the price, and that's just something we're always going to have to live with the rest of our lives. It's slowly going to be costing a little bit more each and every year. Look at Dollar Tree. It's now $1.25. So the price increases is just reality. Like, it's nature. Like, it's just gonna go up. Find different ways to make more money. Do some side hustles and things like that. You can reward yourself with more figures. This figure, the painting is satisfactory. It comes with the expectation that it's not going to be like that perfect, and there's going to be some errors in the painting that you'll be able to visibly see. But yeah, to sum it up real quick, any prize figures and even pop-up parades, what you'll run into is some paint defects. You'll just have to determine yourself if those paint defects are really gonna turn you off. If it is, you're gonna have to shell out more money to get higher quality figures. That just comes with the nature of collecting. If there's any part that might bother you if you get this figure, it's the teeth part of her scarf, because the scarf is like a really dark, it's like a black or navy blue kind of color, and her teeth is obviously white. So you kind of see the melting of those colors kind of like smudged together a little bit. So that might bother you. She is an exclusive figure, so you most likely won't be able to get her again. So yeah, so as of May 12th, 2022, she's still available on goodsmileus.com. So if you do like her, you like this figure, and she's an exclusive one, go ahead and collect her. I bought 4, so I'll probably give away 1. I might try to sell 1. Yeah, this figure, just another part of the collection, and another character, a brand new character that I don't have in the collection. And you know, I love My Hero Academia. I think it's still one of the most popular animes out there. I'm almost up to date. I haven't read the past like month or 2, so I have quite a bit to kind of catch up on. They kind of like release their manga almost like every week. The manga is still pretty good. The anime, the past season, but the next season that's coming up is going to be a fire season. But yeah, I like this character. She's a good villain. Sometimes they're just like creepy little girls out there, and she's definitely have a very, very strange power. But yeah, for the price, it's worth it to me, and it's an exclusive version. This is my first pop-up parade, so yeah, that's pretty much how I feel about pop-up parade at this point. I knew it's gonna be of lower quality, and I knew it was gonna be a little smaller. If this was like a 1/6 scale and of better quality, and they made it more of like a statue or something, I'm all in. But it's not, so it's downgraded as, you know, it's just another thing. You know, that's kind of just how I feel about pop-up parades in general. I don't have that much enthusiasm, as you can tell, but I do like her pose. I like the way she looks. Is very accurate to Himiko Toga. So yeah, I don't have nothing else to say. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, check out my blog at otaku.com. Shout outs to everyone that's been commenting and liking the video, and the new subscribers since the last one. I think I was around maybe under 190. Now I'm at like 198. So I'm super, super excited. I'm going to continually do my best to do a good job. So yeah, like the video, subscribe to this channel, check out my blog at otaku.com. That's where, you know, I do anime reviews. So there was Attack on Titan, Demon Slayer, and now I'm covering the Resident Shield Hero Season 2. Episode 6 is already out. Really, really good. And Spy Family, really, really good anime as well. Been trying to read the manga. And yeah, I also do figure reviews as well on that blog. So anything that I need to update, pictures, or anybody that requests anything, I try to get it on there. But yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.